What's going on, everybody? It's Conzi here with another video. Displaying and collapsing menu options in Microsoft Office software. The software I'm using in this tutorial is Microsoft Word 2013. In conventional Microsoft Office software, you should see menu options appearing underneath its relevant menu title. If this menu does not display when you are interacting with the main page, that means that it is collapsed. And you can confirm this by simply dragging your mouse cursor up to the menu titles, right-clicking on one of the main titles such as View, and you should see the Collapse the Ribbon option ticked. If you left-click on this option once, then the rest of the menu options should appear, and they should remain there whilst you are interacting with other parts of the Microsoft Office software. Should you want to hide these menu options again, simply go back to one of the menu titles, such as Home, right-click, and left-click once on Collapse the Ribbon. The ribbon with the menu options will only now appear once you left-click once on one of the menu titles. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. To support this channel, please like and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.